Hi, today we are going to see a super exciting Chrome extension, so don't forget to watch till the end. Okay, so see, if you see here in this website, you can see that this is a big page. Okay, so if you want to learn anything, okay, not only this page, I'm not talking about any page, any web page. Okay, so if you want to summarize this, okay, if you want to understand what are the important content from this page, okay, so I want to read nearly a whole web page, which will of course take at least 1 hour of time, right? Even if you see this web page, definitely it will take 1 hour of time to understand what is there. I cannot read every individual line. So what we can do is we have a Chrome extension called Scholarcy. Okay, the Chrome extension name is Scholarcy. So which, see, instead of spending hours of reading through a tedious paper and manually extracting the information from the data source, we can use this Scholar C. I'll show you what is going to do. See, this is the extension name. Okay, Scholar C. Just click here and now click Add to Chrome and Add Extension. So what this will do, see, exactly what this will do is this is like an AI tool which summarizes high volume research paper in a second. Not even a high volume research paper, any web page. Okay, a web page into a summarized content which you can easily know what you should know from that particular web page. Okay, so now here if you click on this add-on, you can see that Scholarcy is here. Click here, pin, and then if you click here, okay, see, I'm going to click here. Try this paper. Okay, see what it's happening. It is extracting all the content in this particular web page. Okay, and it will give you a short form. See, it has what are the key concept involved in this. This is what the key context. Okay, and if you see the abstract, what is the abstract, what exactly you need. Okay, from this abstract it has highlighting, it is highlighting the important thing. Can you see here, patients with chronic pain commonly believe, so the highlighted things are the important concepts you need to learn. Okay, see, understand one thing, this is not paraphrasing anything, fine, but it is showing you what are the important concept you should see. Okay, so and then if you scroll down in Scholarly highlight, so what is the what highlight it has found. So these are all the highlights which you have to read compulsorily, and these are all the methods, full text. Other than that, what you have to see completely, it is showing the highlighted things. Okay, so Scholarcy is an excellent Google Chrome application for extension. Okay, it's an extension for any research scholar, any students, any teachers, professors. If you want to go through the complete content and understand what it is, instead of you can simply click on this and read. Okay, so what is the limitation? And see how it's working. Okay, finally, if you want to download the references, you can download, and if you want to save it to the library, you can click and save it to the library. Fine. So I hope this extension will definitely work not only for this web page, I'm also talking about any web page. See, if you want to find anything related to the data mining and the data science, any topic, okay, whatever the topic you want, you can just simply click here and open the web page and see if it has many like it has a huge text and paragraph. Okay, so simply go here and click on the Scholarly thing. So what it will do is it will automatically find what are the important content, what are the important keywords from there, and from that you can understand. Okay, so these are all the scholarly highlights. So these are all the complete highlight. If you just read completely, you will get this is the knowledge. Okay, you can find the knowledge here. Fine, this is not like a plagiarism free, or we are not rephrasing anything. We are just asking this extension to find the highlighted that is important concept in this content, and we are trying to reduce our time to read through the complete article. Okay, are you getting my point? I hope this is very useful. If it is very useful, really you feel that it is very useful for you, please comment it. And any other, so I'll be further in my further videos, I'll be posting about other exciting Google Chrome extensions, which are used for research, which are used for education, and for everyone. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.